started. I picked up this Hurst competition shifter for the 4-speed on the Impala because the old one was just old and loose. Insert your mom joke here. And so was all the linkage, and it was kind of missing a few pieces, so this comes as pretty much a kit. Gets everything that we need, plus one of the brackets that the mounted to was busted off, and this kind of solves that problem because it relocates it. Right there. So I'm gonna try to install this today and then get it all set up and then tear it all back apart, because I'm hopefully gonna take out that big block today too and get it all cleaned up. See how it goes. I got the mounting plate in, but some of the tunnel is still in the way for the setup to go in comfortably because it was an automatic car. So I'm just gonna have to cut some out. Got her. So I have it mocked up, but problems 2 through 10 now. So I can get it. The reverse link is the one that's moving right there. Yeah, that's bad. So it looks like I'm going to have to take that transmission cross member and notch it out a bit in order to clear everything. Otherwise, I think it would be good after that. And then as you can see, it's supposed to be, it's like a center mount. I don't know if they make a different kit or not, but our center console actually has it off to the left, more towards the driver's side. Oops, don't do that. And, well, that's not gonna work. So I think I'm gonna have to lob off here to here, weld it back on. Let's see how this goes. So I'm first gonna cut this arm off and re-weld it on. I know that they make another plate thing that makes it straight up, but I don't have it right now, so I'm just gonna work with what I have. I guess I'm kind of an idiot. I can take this whole plate out of there in order to modify it instead of working with it in itself. Duh. Then again, maybe not. There's like a bunch of springs and stuff in there. I don't know if I really want to stick with that. We'll just weld it on. Look at my toe. So the shifter is just not really wanting to cooperate. But as you can see, I have it in there, but I have it mounted one hole up from where it's supposed to be. Because if I mounted it down below where it's supposed to be, and you go for second or fourth, it would hit on the center console. So I have it at an angle right now. I'm thinking that if I can make that nut a fixture part, that would solve my problem, because I'm really liking where it's at now. We got first, second, third, fourth. It clears everything pretty well. And then the boot will hide everything. So here's now what I think is going to happen. I have this leftover piece, and I'm going to cut it to be the same angle as the shifter, and it fit on there. And then I'll weld that to that, and then bolt that back up, and then that'll be my hole I'll drill through here and then bolt it in. And it should give me the correct angle I need in order to clear everything. So let's do it. Booyah! I got the piece mocked up and sitting in there. I got it bolted down into the stick shift part of it. Just for now, I'm going to throw a couple of tacks on and then take that off and then finish weld all the way around and clean it up really nice and then test fit it again and see where we're at. So we got it all welded up. The second hole in there. So now we're just going to bolt it all together and make sure we did a thing. It really is a crate to sit on. Do you ever have it where you're like, yeah, I'm just going to install this part a minute, and then it takes you all day long? But I think we got it. It's really nice. Like it's right where it's supposed to be. It clears everything. Yeah, now we have a brand new Hurst competition shifter in our 4-speed big block Impala. So just one step closer. More to come, but I think we're getting there slowly but surely. I really want to get this thing done this summer so we can cruise it around. Guess we'll see. But you know what time it is? That time. This time. Beer time. Thanks for watching. I can't get out. I don't have a door handle. There we go. Ah, this is awkward.